I'm going to show you my new Lego IKEA mock that I have placed in the city. First of all, I'm going to say that my channel is no longer dying anymore, so you don't have to worry about me quitting. But we are starting with the mock right now. Yep, here it is. This is the new IKEA for the city. So I just used the same lettering as the previous IKEA, and the reason I'm not doing a proper professional voiceover video like I have done for my previous two mock videos is because it's not really got an interior, this mock. It's not really a mock, it's more of just a facade or placeholder building, because I've tried to do IKEAs that have got like 2 floors or interiors in the past, and it never worked because I just haven't got enough blue and yellow pieces to do that. So that didn't really work out, but I think this does look pretty good overall. Of course, you've got the classic lettering there. Once again, I will say that I'm really pleased with this. Pretty much all of the letters turned out pretty good. Definitely the K looks a lot better than I thought it would, but I managed to pull it off pretty well. And the A, now that's not as good as it could be, but I mean, I can change things if I need to, but for now that's how it looks, and I think it looks better if it's not curved or angled, it's just blocky like the other letters. Of course, you've got double doors there. I've tried to do automatic doors in the past, but I wasn't going to do it with this since you can't go inside and the building's not big enough, first of all, that's the main reason. Got a window there that, if it did have an interior, would be a showroom, I guess. And then this garage door here, that must be for pickups and things, because most IKEAs have a pickup and delivery area where a truck unloads. This garage is really only for decoration, because the only way you can actually push it open is by taking the roof off and pushing it from the top. It doesn't really do anything, that's just for decoration, because it's not the best of mechanisms for building a garage door like this, but I mean, ultimately it looks alright, it basically does its job, and I will be doing a tutorial on that. Now, that I would only recommend doing that design if you like using a really obscure colour combination, or if you run out of the right pieces for the classic design with the Technic pins, because this doesn't use any of those. So it's not the most functional, but it does the job if you're very careful with it. So I will be doing a tutorial on that at some point. Now that's just blue along the side there. And of course, same along this side here. Not a whole lot going on. I decided to put it in the suburban area because this is where most IKEAs are. So that's what I tried to do with this one. So I think placement is pretty good, and I also think it looks pretty good as a building. As far as IKEAs go, it looks pretty good. Not that they're supposed to look good, but it looks like a real IKEA. That's what I'm going for with this. So all in all, it's a lot better than the previous IKEA that I had in the city, because that was only temporary, first of all, and it really was not great at all. It's very mediocre, but this one I think is a lot better, so I'm really pleased with it. So that pretty much concludes the new mock tour, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!